all, I'm Vaidehi and welcome to my channel Brown Life. And very first thing, Happy New Year to everyone out there who is watching my content, and I hope New Year brings a lot of happiness and growth and positivity and success in your life. Now in this video I have shown how to create this very pretty foxy eye kind of makeup look, and I have filmed such kind of video last year as well, but at that time I filmed this video on my mobile phone and उस time मैं इतनी pro नहीं थी और मेरे पास उतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था. बट नाउ आई थिंक सच लुक्स आई कैन क्रिएट रियली इजीली एंड आई रियली वांट यू ऑल टू लर्न हाउ टू क्रिएट दिस वेरी प्रिटी फॉक्सी आई लुक काइंड ऑफ थिंग. अभी भी न्यू ईयर पार्टीज, पार्टी नाइट्स, कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा है. अभी संक्रांत भी आएगी, सो यू कैन क्रिएट सच लुक्स दिस फेस्टिवल सीजन. एंड if you want to know how I got this really pretty foxy eye makeup kind of look, then please keep watching. So for my primer, I'm going to use this very nice primer by the brand Lakme. It's their Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I think this one retails for around 600 rupees or maybe more than that. You'll get 30 grams of product. Now this product has a little bit of tint to it. It has like pinkish kind of tint, but I am completely okay with it because we are going to layer our face with foundation, so it doesn't matter if your foundation comes with tint or not. Also, it's a silicone based primer, so it blurs out all the imperfections that you have on your face, and I totally love this primer. I'm going to start my makeup with eyes first because मुझे वो snatched foxy eye चाहिए. For that we need to apply sellotape so that आपका जो eyeshadow है वो कहीं और ना गिरे. So I'm going to apply sellotape first. I know this is very big sellotape. This is my dad's. He uses this for his work, so I thought I will use this. Although the diameter of this, कहते हैं क्या कहते हैं, it is really big, so I'm going to cut this sellotape in half and apply it over here. If you don't understand कि angles कैसे select करना है, you just have to follow your eyebrow tip. Like मेरी ये tip यहाँ है and ये tip यहाँ है, so I will join my sellotape with outer corner of my eyes to my eyebrows और ये angle मैं follow करूँगी. So that's like an easier way to follow angles and to get that perfect snatched looks. Now for my concealer today, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Concealer, and I am in the shade, I guess, medium deep tan. To blend my concealer, I'm going to use this Cups and Lashes Beauty Blender, which has this angle kind of thing which makes foundation blending really easy. So I'm going to use this to blend my concealer. I'm going to use this pointy side to blend everything. To set my base in place, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven Sapphire Makeup Translucent Powder, and I think I'm in the shade Natural. For my eyeshadow, the palette which I'm going to use today is this one by the brand Makeup Revolution. It's Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals palette, and I'm in the number 3. So I'm going to use this today. Using this very nice small fluffy brush, I'm going to take this very pretty brown color and I'm going to place it right on my lash line, on my upper lash line basically. I'll not go above my crease area, very close to my lash line. Dusting off all the excess, I'm going to blend now. I'll intensify more on my lash line area. I'll focus most of the color right here on my outer corner. Now I'm going to take brush like this which is angled and flat at the same time, and I'm going to take this very pretty black color from this eyeshadow palette on an angled brush. Make sure you're not taking a lot of product, just this much, and dusting off all the excess. I'm going to place it on my outer corner first, also very close to my upper lash line. Now I will intensify this really lightly, taking some more eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, dusting off all the excess because we don't want any fallout, and I will intensify this outer corner again. It's actually looking good, but I still want more pigment, so I'm going to take more black eyeshadow and dusting off all the excess. I'm again going to overdraw my eyeliner, focusing most of the color onto my outer corner. You कैन ऑल्सो यूज काजल इफ यू वॉन्ट टू, बट आई थिंक काजल जल्दी स्मच हो जाता है, इवन दो आई शेडो भी स्मच हो जाता है, बट आई थिंक काजल अगर फैल गया तो वो फैल गया, you cannot recover that, so I am using my eyeshadow only. Otherwise you can also use gel eyeliner, वो अच्छी से एक जगह प्लेस हो जाएगा, but then you have to invest your money in gel liners as well. इससे अच्छा यही है कि आप eyeshadow palette में invest कर लो and then create looks with it. I haven't placed my black eyeshadow really close to my inner corners क्योंकि वहाँ पे mess create हो जाएगा, which we don't want. Now I will do this eye off camera. After that I will show you the moment of truth. Okay, so the moment of truth has arrived, so I'm going to remove this cello tape and okay, they look blended, they look snatched, and they look that, you know what I mean. So moving on, now I'm going to use my foundation. For that foundation which I'm using, because this is like very first video of 2021 and I remember last year when I filmed my very first video I used this foundation जो मैंने खरीदा था उस time, it was very new, and this is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Golden Caramel. I don't know if this is my shade or not like right now क्योंकि मेरा skin tone change होता रहता है according to season, so maybe this is my shade or maybe this is not. So I'm going to apply it right on my cheeks, and this is still my one of the favorite foundations, and I want to make this video very like decent and soft and not full on glam and बहुत ही बढ़ चढ़ के कुछ चटक मटक दिखाना है. So I'm going to use this Cups and Lashes Beauty Blender again. I'm going to blend everything which is on my face right now. To concealer, as usual, I'm going to use this Maybelline's Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan, and I will apply it under my eye very nicely बिना किसी को हाथ लगाए, and around here to clean my winged like foxy eye look. Bring my contour product, but I'm not going to go and buy my contour again. I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette itself to give my face a little bit contour. So I think I'm going to use this shade right here, which is really pigmented, but this is one of the softest brown in this palette. I'll take really little amount of this product and apply it over here very softly. It's pigmented. Using wrong brush to apply contour. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's Ultimate Retractable Brow Pencil. I remember I used to use this pencil a lot when I bought this, and उसके बाद I don't know what happened. I almost stopped using this, so I'm using this again. Using this pulley side, I'm going to comb through my eyebrow hairs like that, and using this pencil side, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Using Wet n Wild's Clear Brow Gel, I'm going to set my eyebrows in place. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to use this really small flat brush. I don't know if camera is capturing or not. Okay, this very small brush, and I'm going to take black color and I'm going to apply this really close to my lower lash line, like really close. I'm going to use this brown, and now I will dust off all the excess and blend everything. And maybe I'll use this color right here as my blush, like maybe dusting off all the excess, and I will apply this very lightly क्योंकि मैंने देखा ये contour color बहुत pigmented था. For my highlighter today, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Makeup Stick Highlight. I bought this last year और मैंने शायद ही कभी इसको मेरे चैनल पे यूज़ किया है. So I'm going to apply this. Although I don't like to use like cream product over my blushes. I'm not like extremely happy with it, but it looks good. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's Catsuit lipstick, and this one is in the shade Kiss of Death. Like This is that very pretty dark burgundy maroon color which looks bomb as on all skin types, probably like British और dusky skin tones पे ये बहुत सुंदर दिखता है. Also it's not a matte lipstick, so इसके ऊपर आपको मे बी पाउडर या फिर कोई दूसरी matte lipstick लगानी पड़ेगी to make this one look matte. I'm actually looking such a badass after applying this lipstick. Maybe I'll remove a little bit. Pretty better. Eyelashes, I'm going to use as usual Hilary Rhoda eyelashes in the number 14. These are one of the best eyelashes I ever used, and this one retails for only 99 and you will find this product only on Cups and Lashes. उसके अलावा आपको ये ना Amazon पे मिलेगा ना Flipkart पे मिलेगा. You will only find this on Cups and Lashes. I don't know why, but I'm going to purchase a lot of these eyelashes. 3-4 तो मैं लेके रखूँगी इस महीने के लिए, इस महीने के लिए, और हर महीने एक पेयर तो मैंने खरीदना ही है. So can you see the difference now? This eye and this eye. This one looks really fluttery and spiced और बहुत spicy look आ रहा है, and this one looks really pale. Like you guys can compare इस side से और इस side से. I look better from this side. Now let me just apply this वाला eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and you enjoyed watching me creating this video. You can create this look in any wedding season, चाहे कोई function हो, party हो, New Year glam करना हो. You can wear this anywhere with any outfit. And if it's Indian or Western, आप किसी के साथ भी ये eyeshadow pair कर सकते हो. You just have to remove the bindi and then yeah, pro your Western outfit is all ready. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, make that black one blue, and also hit the subscribe button. Subscribe के बाजू में bell icon दिया है, उस पर click करो to get notified every time I will upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My handle is vaidehi_hardgay and I'll see you next time. Bye.